The battery backup unit is an innovative addition to the ultra-quiet linear LDCO800 garage door opener. It gives your customer the ability to operate their garage door opener even when the power is out, providing a great sense of security and peace of mind.
Hi, I'm Larry North, Marketing Manager for Linear Corporation. This video will show you how to install the battery backup unit in our ultra-quiet LDCO800 garage door opener. The battery backup unit is a quick and easy upgrade for new or existing LDCO800s. Check this out.
The linear battery backup unit is a great upsell opportunity for new LDCO800 opener installations, as well as a retrofit upgrade for your customers who already own the ultra-quiet LDCO800. To install the linear battery backup unit, remove the cover of the LDCO800 by unfastening the 4 metal screws located on the sides of the power head. Position the battery backup unit on the LDCO800 metal base plate, aligning the mounting tabs on the battery backup unit with the threaded inserts on the base plate, securing with the 3 screws provided. Remove the jumper plug from the controller board's 3-wire harness. Connect the battery backup unit's harness to the controller board. Replace and secure the cover of the linear LDCO800 back onto the power head.
Make sure your customers get the peace of mind they deserve. The linear battery backup unit lets them get in or out of their garage, even when the power is off.
To order your supply of ultra-quiet LDCO800 garage door openers and battery backup units, call your Linear representative at 800-421-1587 or ask for the linear battery backup unit at your local distribution center. If you need assistance locating a local Linear dealer, please visit us on the web at www.linearcorp.com.